Oh my god. Oh my god.
So Jay Shoe scare you?
She stuck her finger up my butt.
No, you did not.